Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out WhatsApp account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp makes it easy to stay connected to friends, family, coworkers, and any of the other hundred of million people who use the app. You can swap photos, make plans, enjoy group chat with more than 215 participants, and generally stay in touch. However, this constant communication can sometimes make it seem like app never stop pinging you. So, how if you want to log out from your WhatsApp account on your phone? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just go to the settings by tap on the up right corner here, the three dots over here. You can go to the settings. You can go to account here, tap on account, and you'll find there is an option remove account. You can just tap on that. You can choose on remove from this device. You can just tap on remove account, tap on remove. So now you've been logged out from your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to log out from your WhatsApp account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!